Oh, hello, and thanks for your inquiry. Okay, so here's what you do. I'm going to send you to this website right here, into your email here, and you're going to click, and this is where it's going to take you. It's going to take you to this page right here. This is my trainer, teacher. He's the owner of the system I'm working with. Listen to this video to get an idea of what we have here. But here's where you go. Right here, say no thank you. I'll do it on my own for now. Just let me access the escape plan book. Once you click this, it's going to take you here. Okay, listen to the video. That'll give you an idea of how important this book is and what we're expecting to learn. And then once you click here to download your escape plan, it's going to take you directly to the download. Now this is on my computer, so I don't know how exactly going to work on a phone, but I went ahead and clicked it and see here's where we go from here. Okay, so read this at your own pace. If you have any questions at all, you like what you read, you don't like what you read, you could just message me and let me know. I don't think this is a good idea, or I would appreciate at least that. Or if you like it, tell me I think I'm going to like this, and that you're working your way through it. And anything interesting that jumps out at you, you can chat with me about it. That'll be good. But basically, I want to know if this is something that you want to learn, you'll be willing to learn, put in some time learning. Yeah. Because I work better with someone, because work right now is really busy and crazy. So I want to collaborate with someone, and synergistically, when I'm working with someone and they're expecting something of me and we talked about something, I follow through. But if I'm by myself, sometimes I may or may not. But I can't put this on the back burner. I need to really make this happen. Yes. So that's why I'm looking for a partner. And perhaps we can work together. And it'll be an adventure for both of us. Okay? So I look forward to hearing you. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.